On Majuli, Assam's river island, Ménam Homestay celebrates the culinary heritage of the missing community. Cynthia left her job and came back to her hometown to work with her mother at their homestay, with local women and elders. At Ménam Homestay, they worked to revive recipes that were fading: bamboo cooked pork, river fish wrapped in banana leaves, and wild herbs chutney, using ingredients grown in their indigenous herb nursery or sourced from local farms. Each missing thali is more than a meal. It tells the story of the land, the seasons, and the generation of knowledge. Through these experiences, Cynthia and her mother at Ménam Homestay preserves recipe, train women in traditional cooking, and strengthen community ties, making every visit a living tribute to heritage.